Hello everyone, welcome to the channel, and today we're going to be doing something a little bit different. So as a guitar beginner, the first 4 chords that you're usually going to be learning at first is going to be these 4 chords right here. And as a beginner, it's really difficult to learn how to play bar chords for the first time ever, like these ones there. I mean, there's only so many combinations and songs present out there that you can only play with those 4 chords. Which is why I'm going to be teaching you how to play other songs too on other frets with your capo. And with a capo, it opens you up to other songs too because it allows you to transpose the chords that you're playing here without any effort on your part. So it basically transposes the chord progressions that you're playing by half step up for every fret that you're moving up along the fretboard. So this is half step up, this is 2 half steps up, 3 half steps up, and so on and so forth. So even though you're only playing the chords G, D, E minor, and C, by placing a capo on the 2nd fret, for example, yes, those same G, D, E minor, C chords will now be the A, E, F sharp minor, as well as the D chord. Now this is really helpful when it comes to that F sharp minor chord right there, because this basically acts as your other finger when it comes to playing the F sharp minor chord. See what I mean? So this is basically your index finger when it comes to barring that F sharp minor chord. This allows you to remove that stress when it comes to playing bar chords, especially when you're a beginner, and it'll allow you to play other songs too when it comes to playing it with your guitar. So a bit of a refresher when it comes to playing those 4 chords for this video. When it comes to playing the G major chord, it's going to be the 3rd fret on the lower E string by using your middle finger. It's going to be your index finger on the 2nd fret on the A string. It's going to be an open string on the D and the G strings together. Yep. That's going to be your 4th and your 3rd string on your guitar. That's going to be the 3rd fret for the B string and the high E string by using these 2 fingers right here. So ring finger is going to be on the 3rd fret on the B string. It's going to be your 3rd fret on the pinky finger for your high E string. So altogether it's going to be like this. Yep, so that is going to be 3, 2, open, open, 3, then 3. Yep. Be your D major chord, that's going to be dead strings or muted strings for your lower E and your A string by using your thumb to mute those 2 strings right there. Yep, just letting it rest there, don't press on it to create these dead sounds right here. It's going to be an open fret on the D string. Yep, that string right there. It's going to be 2, 3, 2. It's going to be your E minor chord, so you could play it like this or like this. Depends on your preference when it comes to playing this chord. So that's going to be an open string on the lower E string. It's going to be 2nd fret A string, 2nd fret D string. That's going to be open strings for the rest of these other chords. Just like that. Then lastly, for the C major chord, it's going to be like this. Once again, using your thumb to mute the lower E string. It's going to be 3, 2, open, 1, then open. Yep. 3rd fret on the A string with your ring finger. 2nd fret D string with your middle finger. Open string on the G string. That's going to be the 1st fret with your index finger for the B string. Then an open string on the high E string. Yep, so that's going to be the G chord, D major chord, E minor chord, then the C major chord. Very nice. So when it comes to capos, there's mainly 2 types. So first one is going to be something that you need to screw in place. Just doing it like that. Then to make it tighten, you need to tighten it. You know what I mean? Righty tighty, lefty loosey. So just lefty loosey like that. That's going to be the capo right there, placed on the 2nd fret. But the other type of capo is going to be something like this. You see that? Very cool. So it's something that you just clip on. Just like that. It's going to be right there, firmly placed on the 2nd fret. So for this video, I'm going to be using this capo because I just prefer this one, to be honest. It's a personal preference. You can also find something like this too. Whatever floats your boat, you know what I mean? You know what I mean? You know what I mean. So before we get into it, bit of disclaimers first. So the songs that I'm going to be teaching you guys in this video are the songs that I grew up with. So if it seems outdated, it's because they are, so chill. I'm 24. And the chord progressions that we're going to be using for the songs in this video won't be the same structure. They will use the same chords, but the order in which we're going to be playing them will vary bit by bit when it comes to the songs that we're playing. And they won't sound the exact same as the way that the original artists or musicians played the songs, but it should be fine given that we're just beginners and we just want to jam out with these songs anyway, so it should be fine just playing it with the capo and the open chords. This is kind of like the easy alternative, just want to jam out versions with your friends kind of thing, so yeah, it's a nice start when it comes to playing songs with your guitar. And before we begin, please do not forget to leave a like, subscribe, ring the notification bell. And I'm also just going to be teaching mainly just the choruses for these songs. So if you guys want a specific, more detailed breakdown for each individual songs, just comment it down below as well, so I can make a separate guitar tutorial videos for those too. And yeah, that's it. Let's go straight into it. My youth is yours, tripping on skies, sipping waterfalls. My youth is yours, run away now and forever. My youth is yours, roots all out, you can't ignore. My youth is yours. So one last time, I need to be the one who takes you home. One more time, I promise after that I'll let you go. Baby, I don't care if you got hurt in your heart. All I really care is you wake up in my arms. One last time, I need to be the one who takes you home. But if you close your eyes, does it almost feel like nothing changed at all? And if you close your eyes, does it almost feel like you've been here before? I'm gonna be an optimist about this. I'm gonna be an optimist about this. But if you close your eyes, does it almost feel like nothing changed at all? I knew I love you then, should never know. So I played it cool and now I'm scared of letting go. I knew I needed you, should I never show. I wanna stay with you until we're gray and old. Just say you won't let go. Just say you won't let go. Even the best fall down sometimes. Even the wrong ones seem to run. Out of doubt that fills my mind, I'll somehow find you and I collide. My youth is yours, tripping on skies, sipping water.